this is two dragon slimes. I'm gonna be opening these two. First one. It's the color blue. It's cool. The second one it's gold and it has glitters inside. It's super shiny. These are the results. Bye.